How to refund items on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. Then make sure you have logged into your account. Now you want to click on the Robux icon and click on My Transaction. Now you should be able to find the list of all of your purchase over here. If there are any items such as Game Pass or any other items of clothing or accessories that you want to refund because it is no longer of use to you or you have mistakenly bought it, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, you want to open a new tab and go to roblox.com/support. Then you want to enter your username, your first name, then enter your email address, and then enter your email address one more time for confirmation. Now select the device in which you're having the problem. I'm going to select PC. Then select the type of help category. For this, you want to select purchase using Robux. Then for the subcategory, you can select either website item or inexperience item. Inexperience items are like game passes. Now on the description, you simply want to describe your issue, which is you have accidentally bought something that you want to refund. So basically, you want to mention the item that you want to refund and the reason behind the refund. And once you do that, you want to click on the submit button. Then you will have to do a verification, and after it has been completed, your request is going to be submitted to Roblox support. Now, the support team are going to contact you and help you refund your item. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.